Good morning, happy Thanksgiving. We have a great selection, and here it is for the next few days. Everything we put up is going to be at Black Friday prices, so that means $10.99. $10.99 for all these fabrics. I know they'll go fast, but this is my gift to you. This is that, it's a wine version of the fabric we had. It's got a great selvage. It's a cotton, silk, poly blend. It has stretch in both directions. It is a home run. It's just absolutely gorgeous. The wine lace matches. Now these are all rag and bone, so that you know the quality is immense. They're all Italian. This is 100% cotton lace. It's a wine lace. It's beautiful. It has stretch in one direction, slight stretch, so it could be used for sleeves and then do a solid body or underline. This is a Pontorama, but it's got a little glitz to one side, which is really stylish right now. It has stretch in one direction. Beautiful piece of fabric, cotton poly. This black is 100% cotton. It's like a really, really fine velvet. It's the softest fabric you'll ever feel. You just could cuddle up in it and stay there forever. It's beautiful. It has stretch in both directions. Great fabric. This is a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions, but they just all blend together. The grays, the wines. This is a little lighter, but it's beautiful. Beautiful hand to it. Really pretty. The lighter is the wrong side, the darker is the right side, but it's a beautiful piece. And then, last but not least, there's velvet everywhere, and we have this beautiful light gray. Light gray works for so many color palettes. It's not a gray so much as it works almost like an off-white. Just beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. It's been on the roll there, but it's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions, but one more than another. Oh my goodness, all $10.99, you guys. Love it. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns, and happy Thanksgiving.